Is your Honda CR-V failing to start only when it feels like it? Let's troubleshoot this intermittent failure in under 3 minutes. Statistically, 70% of these random starting issues are triggered by simple electrical connectivity problems rather than a dead engine. Before you call a tow truck, follow this triage process to isolate the culprit. Start by checking your battery terminals for corrosion, scanning for hidden error codes, and testing your key fob battery. The main suspects are typically a loose ground strap, a sticking starter relay, or a faulty brake pedal switch. If those check out, look at the fuel pump module or a failing crankshaft sensor, which often acts up after the car warms up. Cleaning terminals and swapping relays are easy DIY tasks, but fuel pump or computer issues are best left to a professional. Most repairs are inexpensive, but major component failures like the fuel pump can quickly push the bill over $500. For advanced diagnosis, load test your battery during cranking and verify your ground continuity to the chassis. You will need a basic multimeter, a decent OBDI scanner, and a wire brush to properly service your electrical connections. Remember, electrical gremlins are almost always about a bad connection, not a bad component. If this helped you find the issue, hit like and subscribe for more Honda maintenance tips.